Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable the dark mode or dark theme on your YouTube using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser and then open youtube.com. After you've done that, just go ahead and click on your profile at the upper right corner of your screen, beside or at the right side of the notification bell. Once you've done that, you can see this appearance section. You just want to click on that. And then here you can choose between dark theme and light theme. Okay. So here you just want to click on dark theme if you want dark theme. And here, as you can see, the background color of my YouTube is now black. So if you want to switch it back to the to the light theme, just go ahead again and click on your profile and appearance and click on light theme. And that's how you do it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.